Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Now today's celebration, International Widows Day. On this International Widows Day, discover the untold stories and struggles of widows worldwide. Stay tuned with us to the end to learn how we can all make a difference in their lives. Share the video to support them. Theme: Transforming Grief into Advocacy and Change. Honoring widows on International Widows Day. On this International Widows Day, we honor the strength, resilience, and invaluable contributions of widows worldwide. Despite facing profound emotional, social, and financial challenges after the loss of a spouse, they continue to be pillars of society, often stepping into new roles within their families, communities, and workplaces. Their courage to rebuild their lives, provide for their families, and support others in similar situations is a testament to their unwavering inner strength. Widows, though often unsung, play a critical role in shaping future generations and sustaining the social and economic fabric of our nations. A commitment to empowerment and healing through their resilience, widows show us how to overcome adversity with grace, strength, and dignity. Today, we not only celebrate their contributions but also acknowledge the challenges they face. Let's reaffirm our commitment to supporting them on their journey of empowerment and healing. Their stories are powerful ones of hope, survival, and the ability to transform pain into purpose. Let's continue to stand with them, uplift their voices, and ensure they receive the support they deserve. Just a quick break. Please, if you like what we are doing, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. The power of resilience, stories of transformation. In Nigeria, Esther, a widow and single mother of 3, shares how she overcame grief and hardship. I was lost after my husband passed, with no formal job or education. But I joined a widows support group, learned to start a small business, and now train other widows. We are empowering each other. Esther's story shows how community support can transform pain into strength. In India, Pallavi, a widow who lost her husband to an illness. At first, I couldn't imagine how I would manage without my husband. He was the breadwinner, but I joined a program designed to help widows like me access job training. After learning new skills, I was able to secure a job as a seamstress, and now I run my own tailoring business. I'm no longer dependent on anyone. In the UK, Helen faced isolation after her husband's death but found support through a widows advocacy group. They provided emotional support, resources for mental health care, and helped me navigate my legal rights. Today, I feel stronger than ever. I'm part of a vibrant community that has helped me rebuild my life, and I now volunteer to help other widows find their way. To all widows, you are stronger than you know. To all the widows navigating grief, we honor your strength, resilience, and courage. Your contributions to your families and communities are invaluable. The way you rise after loss is a beacon of hope for us all. Today, we stand with you in recognition of your remarkable strength and unwavering spirit. For those considering support services, reach out. Empower yourself. If you haven't yet sought support, we encourage you to reach out. Many organizations are ready to help you heal, rebuild, and thrive. Whether it's emotional support, legal assistance, or financial guidance, resources are available. Asking for help is a sign of strength, and you deserve to live life to the fullest. International Widows Day. Let us continue to uplift, empower, and support the widows in our communities, honoring their resilience and vital role in creating a stronger, more compassionate world. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes. Widows WHO are navigating the challenging journey of grief. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 24th of June, International Day of Women in Diplomacy. The 25th of June, International Day of the Seafarer. The 26th of June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.